Ni.
Apa so Friday? Tambah kam duit lah singkang am tas ni.
Wah. Tadi ka ayam sok plum. Bat mia hi ong, bisa ong, balak khai mia por sok plum. Tadi sekha chung mia.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Meghalaya kala pengkria ban sedang no ya ka special intensive revision jong ka electoral roll. But kani kan long tang mi ka Election Commission of India ya ka jing penbana. La pentep u Chief Electoral Officer ka jala u Dr. B.D. Tiwari hakhat artrek jumang aja pun rio. Dr. Tiwari ulang baya kani ka kam or sa pentelun syakmat balaladan kam syusyu ikinong tray katanat election kalang kapkloy ban penkamti ka kam katkum ka jing idan kam.
In respect to SIR, whenever schedule for Meghalaya will be announced by the Honorable Election Commission of India, we will go accordingly.
Can we expect the exercise before Lok Sabha elections?
Everything is up to Honorable Election Commission of India. SIR process, as you all are aware, it already happened in the two phases, first in Bihar and after that in the 12 state. And accordingly, SIR is the special intensive revision, and in this one the entire voter list they do the verification, and there are the three consecutive dates. First is the 1st July to 1987 as per the Indian Citizenship Act. That is the deadline. Whoever born before that in India, they are Indian citizen by birth. And moreover, once the previous SIR happened in the states, so that deadline will also be taken, which is like December 2004 in the state of Meghalaya. So whosoever name is there, they just search the lineage, and accordingly lineage to be established for the verification of the existing voters, and as well as either their mother, father, or the in lineage the grandparents, they should be the voter at least in that one, and they have to produce in the people who are become a teen year after that, then they have to at least the lineage and all that, their previous record about the parents, grandparents, lineage, etc., and then along with the proof of identity, and that list of identity certificate is also been provided by Honorable Election Commission. So we do the verification, and as it has already happened in other states, similarly Meghalaya is also ready for the SIR exercise as per schedule announced by Honorable.
Sir, we have seen that various groups, various political parties, usually we don't see them.
Basically, SIR is one exercise and it is a mandatory exercise. Almost it is already taken up in the several states, and other state will also, the SIR process will have to be happen, and this is not the first time. Earlier also happened across the country several times. So SIR schedule will be, once it will be announced by Election Commission, it will happen accordingly.
So what sort of preparations are being made, because I believe this exercise requires huge manpower.
So whatever manpower, the election functionaries, machineries are already there, the BLOs, the supervisors, the ERO, AEROs, and all election functionaries in as usual, and the manpower whatever will be required from the election side we are ready, but especially in other state it has been seen the booth level agents have been appointed by the political parties in other state. In that front, at least Meghalaya, we keep on requesting to the political parties to appoint BLAs, but somehow that progress is at least not, we can say ki not very proactive. So, and it Otherwise, vice versa is reflect their confidence and belief in the election functionaries in the state. And earlier also they reflected they had no complaint in respect to election machinery, the conducting election exercise. So it is up to the political parties regarding the appointment of the BLAs. Earlier also we did several time, and once again when the schedule will be there and the routine course also regular interval, we also keep on having the meeting with the political parties and we keep on requesting documents, as I already told you. At least then the previous voter list, then we have done this kind the present voter list with the previous 2000 previous SIR time 2005, the voter list 11/2005. So we did the tabletop exercise also along with the system exercise, and we found in that one around 80% name has been verified in the state. So that is quite good in respect to our state.
So how will you ensure that this entire exercise is transparent? Because serious allegations have been raised on this exercise saying that it's targeting a particular community in the country, sir.
I can't comment over that, but wherever no such complaint have been proven and everything happened very transparent manner, very free fair manner, entire exercise across the country, and we are very confident it will be as per law and very transparently. As per the census operation is already ongoing, it is notified, and schedule of SIR will be announced subsequently or in future by the Election Commission of India.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.